All right, how do you get your cakes and your breads to cook more evenly? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, have you seen this tool in the baking section of your probably local craft store? I got it years ago and it is fantastic. You soak it in water and then it's like 15 minutes and then you put it around your pan. So I've done it for cornbread and banana bread and cakes, and you put it in the oven wet. I know it's kind of crazy, but it helps bake evenly so the outside doesn't get as hot like it normally does, and you don't get that kind of harder baked outside, and everything cooks more evenly. It is a fantastic tool. I'll put a link down below if you don't have a craft store near you, but you can just swing out and get one. It's a great tool. All right, if you get one, let me know. Put comments down below if you already have it, if you think it's as great as I do. Look at how even that came out. Isn't it beautiful?